Emdigos Academy. Learn today, earn tomorrow.
Good day all. My name is Michael from Emdigos Academy, and I'll be teaching you guys on how to launch the Finapp web script that you bought from us. To launch it is very easy. You don't need to be tech savvy, you don't need to be a developer, you don't need to be anything. All you have to do is just follow my simple instruction. Just watch the tutorial video. Anybody can do it. Just SS3, anybody can do it. So first things first is we have to get a domain and a hosting. So before getting a website up, you have to have a domain and a hosting. So how do you get such? By visiting a hosting website. We have so many: GoDaddy, hosting, and the rest of them, but we'll be going with Namecheap. Why? Because their customer relation is very friendly, their support is actually very active, and it's actually cheap too. Like the name says, Namecheap, so it's actually cheap. So let us start. So it's actually going to be a very interesting installation. Sorry. So click on namecheap.com. So as you can see, namecheap.com. So what we have to do, you can sign in. That's if you already have an account. You can sign up. That's if you don't have an account. So we'll be signing up. You already have an account, but I want to show you people how to sign up. So you can actually put your this, let's say CK 123. CK123 TU, CK123 TU. So you can actually take it that way. Then the password, you can say just put any password. First name, so it doesn't match, so let's check. Okay, should match now. So first name, so the email address can be so once you are done, you create an account and continue. But we already have an account with Namecheap, so tell us it has already been used. That's because I have it, so we'll be signing in. So but for those of you who are who just created an account, it will take you directly to the user dashboard. So that is it. So I've actually signed in. So highest, what they will ask is that they will send you an OTP code. So that's all if you are signing in. So next thing is for you to click here and get a shared hosting. You can get a domain first, anyone. Okay, let's just go with a domain first. So let's look for let us say which name should we use? paywella.com. So let's see whether it's available. Paywella.com is nowhere. paymewella.com. Yeah, so paymewella.com is available. We add to cart. So then we go to the hosting, click on shared hosting. So you can go with anyone. Is that you go with the Stellar, the Popular, or this, or we'll be going with the Stellar. You can even go, depending, you can even go monthly, you can even go for 2 years, anyone, but most of the time majority go for yearly. So you click on Stellar. These are their features, which is actually very nice depending on the project that you have in mind, but this can do with what we have. So paymewella.com is there. So but if you actually have a domain from another hosting account, you just click existing domain. Then when you click that existing domain, you type in the domain name. That's if you bought domain from GoDaddy or Hostinga, anywhere on name. There are a lot of companies that sell domain. You click your third party and add the domain here and click on connect hosting. Automatically Namecheap connects it for you. But we bought everything from Namecheap. That's why we're actually going with new domain name. So after that, we'll add to cart. So after adding to cart, this is all 1 year domain privacy. So I'll just be summarizing this. Domain registration 1 year, that means paymewella will be the domain, that's the name, will actually last for a year. They're actually giving us a discount of 25% off first year. So in the other years the prices should be 13.980, to be more than this. So they gave us domain privacy so that it's not anybody that googles your website or checks on any platform will see all the details of your website. So it's actually private and it's free. So premium DNS, this option is not available in this. Premium DNS is not necessary for what we are doing. Then Stellar Emdigos is the hosting package that we bought. 1 year, 1 month, 2 years. So once you are done, you confirm your order. So you just fill up these details. Put anything. So fill this form. So I actually have a Chrome plugin which I might make another tutorial on, where you can use to easily fill your forms without actually stressing yourself. So let's continue. So once you are done, it will take you here. So you can click this and save it to be your default checkout setting, or you can leave it. So click on continue. After that, if you have your card, you just input your details here. The name on your card, the card number, the card billing address. If you want to pay with PayPal, you can pay. If you want to pay with the account, that's if you have money on your Namecheap account. Most of the time I do use this. I usually fund my Namecheap account. Maybe I'll fund it for a year, because based on the naira to dollar rates, I can just fund my account for a year, and I will tend to be using that account funds to pay instead of whenever I want to build a site I will be funding. So you can use the account funds, but you don't have sufficient in this, so you can just use your secured card payment, upload your details, and you click on continue. So after this, in about 5 to 10 minutes, when you have filled this and your payment is processed, you will definitely receive an invoice on your mail that actually tells you that you have actually bought something. You have actually bought a domain and a hosting. Then you would also get the login details for your cPanel accounts. Yeah. So all these things are just very easy, just very simple. So once you get that your cPanel login, you log into your website. So I would still show you stuff on that to clarify even a non-tech savvy person on how to work with this stuff. So when your payment actually goes through, like I said, you receive a message like this. Then when you scroll down of your message, you see your login details of how you are actually going to log into your account. Your login details. So this is your login details. What you just have to do most of the time, a lot of students come to complain to us that they cannot log in, or if they log in into their cPanel, that it tends to return them back. That's the truth. So there's just a way that we have actually two ways you can actually solve this problem, so that it's not when you are logged into your cPanel you'll be logged out. So most of the time they'll tell you that your network provider is not stable, but we have found two ways to actually stop that from happening. So it's either you use a VPN to do it. It's either you use a VPN to log in, or these three numbers that are in the link of your hosting panel. These three numbers that are above. What you just have to do is you have to just copy those three numbers. When you copy those three numbers, just take note of it. When you copy those three numbers, just copy this link, cPanel this, just attach those three numbers to this. Once you attach it, can be 401, it can be 501, just attach it here. I'll be dropping the link and you can actually change it. I'll be dropping the link on the video description in case you are logging in and it's logging you out. Just this link. Once you are done putting the 3 digits and the S, maybe let's say you don't go for a stellar, you went for a higher one, it might be a P, you put the P here, but we just go for an S because S is the one we did. So you now click on enter. So now it will now show you your username, and once you log in, nothing will ever make you log out. So this is all for this tutorial on how to actually get a domain and hosting. So once you log in, it takes you to your cPanel. So the next video will be actually how to install the financial app, or the Fin web app that we actually created. So thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.
Emdigos Academy. Learn today, earn tomorrow.